Yo, it's your boy. Today, I know, okay, we all know, we're back on ALS. The only game I play. Like, literally, I haven't played any other game than this one. It's taking over my life, but I enjoy that. But as you can see, I evolved Saitama and I got Avatar on him on accident. Crazy. And also, I've been thinking recently on trying to make my green team. And in order to make a good green team, I need one single unit. None other than Toto. But you see, he's only good once you evolve him. And I need the little brother scarf. But lucky me, if we go over a year, we don't search because it's broken, because this game's really good. Okay, chop chop, hurry up. Wow, one item at a time. That's there we go. Um uh hello? Um Never mind, I think they fixed it, but let's go. That means we can craft it. I wasn't sure if I had enough gold coins, but I did. That means we could boogie woogie. Woohoo! Let's go. Blessing. Yee! Alright. We'll wear it for now. So I guess we'll unequip. I was doing legend stages, so I have this team. Let's put on Toto. Let's go. Let's also roll on him. I have 97, so I hope I can get something. Golden. We're looking for Overlord, maybe. Avatar glitched, maybe. Oh, this is looking a little stinky. Okay, well, I'm just gonna skip until I get something good. Guys, 35 rerolls. Please, just something. Just something. Overlord, Avatar. I'll take Overlord. Bro. I swear to God, I have to tell you guys this. I've gotten Gremmy's Overlord and Saitama's Avatar without 4x. 4x isn't real. 4x just doesn't work. All seeing, I don't want all seeing. All seeing is cringe. Hello? I don't want demigod. Bro. 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 2 all seeings. 97 rerolls for 2 all seeings. Son of a... Alright, that was a pretty successful rolling, guys. So, I guess I'm gonna level him up now. Okay, so I guess let's test him out. Mind you, he's level 1, Elemental Master, and doesn't have skill tree. I forgot to roll his stats. Fuck. Okay. So, stun on placement. Cursed Rock. He does the crush. He's pretty cheap. Stun again. 600,000 damage, level 1. He's really good, but the problem with him is that he never becomes hybrid. So let's say I'm doing Caverns. I'd say a good unit to pair him up with is Giorno. That's the next unit I'm probably going for, is Giorno. He costs 700 to place down. He's an air unit. I think, yeah, he's definitely going to be my second unit. So yeah, that's pretty hype. And also, let me show you guys my Saitama. He's pretty expensive to become hybrid, like 7,000. I believe not even including placement. But he does good damage, has really good SPA. Mind you, no skill tree. I haven't put a single skill tree on him. He also has a nuke, which is good, so yeah. I guess I'll just keep leveling him up. Okay, wait, I know this isn't part of the video, but my Saitama is maxed now. He spawns it with 1.1 million damage. Crazy. Serious Punch, he becomes hybrid, 3.1 million damage. Oh, Omnidirectional Punches, he becomes full AoE, 9.2 million damage. Wait for the skip. Come on. Now he's doing 13.3 million damage, no skill tree. Since he doesn't really do an effect, I think I'm gonna give him crit range skill tree instead of damage SPA. Because his SPA is already good. So, no, he also has Avatar, so in total it'd be like a 50% chance for crit. So I think that's what I'm gonna go for. Yeah. Alright, since I forgot to roll his stats, let's actually go roll his stats right now. Nah, I'm lagging right now. Hold up, wait a second. Alright, anyways. So now we should be able to do it. Yep. Dodo. Let's see what I get. Gamble, gamble, gamble. I'm starting to run out, so I should start doing. Ooh. I wish it was 2 double SS. Come on. You know, I'm just gonna gamble off camera. You know what? I'm just gonna roll on him. I didn't even roll good stats on him. I gave up. Come on, please. I don't want Cosmic. Give me like an Overlord. You know how epic that'd be? Please. I don't want Golden. Just give me Overlord. I don't want Hyperspeed either. Hyperspeed. I mean, his SPA is great now. Nice. I just claimed the index. 2 more. 2 more. Demigod. God damn it, I'll take it. That's like, what? Not bad. Yeah, I'll take it. We could finally test out Toto. Unit VFX. My goat. Oh, looks like he just teleports to them. Yep, he just teleports to them and slams them. I should actually, wait, I'm just gonna max out my farm real quick. Alright, so let's continue upgrading him. 2, he's doing, 150,000. Level 2, 169,000. Level 3, Cursed Rock. What does he do? Oh, he just jumps up and throws rocks at them. While doing his... Oh, okay. Oh, okay. That works, I guess. 500,000 damage. Crazy. Upgrade 4, he's doing 623,000. 5, he's doing 742,000. Upgrade 6, he's doing 1 million damage. 7, he's doing 1.66 million damage. Upgrade 8, he's doing 222 million damage. And final upgrade, he gains Boogie Woogie and deals 2.8 million damage. Mind you, with Demigod, which is like literally nothing in terms of damage. Again, he's not hybrid, which is kind of yucky, but he is pretty cheap. Let's look. And compared to other units, he's pretty cheap. I mean, he's a 4 placement, so Shinigami would technically be better, but I'm gonna try and get Overlord. I think the next green unit I should go for is probably Giorno. Because, right, I've been trying to get Yukiora for so long. The worst grind in this game. I just don't like it. I just don't like it. I just wish they stopped with the goddamn story mode. But anyways, yeah, if you guys like this video, like and subscribe. Check out my other videos. Ooh, Portal. But anyways, that's about it. See ya.